Are you struggling to keep up with the ever-changing landscape of SEO? Today, I'm going to share with you 5 strategic SEO insights and tactical tips to dominate in 2024. So let's get started. First is to conduct audience research as well as keyword research. Let's talk about the importance of conducting audience research as well as keyword research. Understanding your target audience's needs and preferences is crucial for crafting effective SEO strategies. By diving deep into keyword research, you can uncover valuable insights into what your audience is searching for and tailor your content accordingly. Second is to analyze the meaning of queries. With advancements in natural language processing, search engines are getting better at understanding the context behind search queries. By analyzing the meaning of queries, you can ensure that your content aligns with the intent of the searcher, increasing the chances of ranking higher in search results. Third is to create relevant content. Gone are the days of keyword stuffing and generic content. Today, search engines prioritize high-quality, relevant content that provides value to users. Focus on creating content that answers your audience's questions, solves their problems, and meets their needs. Fourth is to create quality content. Quality over quantity should be your mantra when it comes to content creation. Invest time and resources into producing well-researched, well-written, and engaging content that stands out from the competition. Remember, it's not just about getting traffic to your site. It's about keeping visitors engaged and coming back for more. Last but not least, evaluate the usability of your web pages. User experience plays a significant role in SEO, so make sure your website is easy to navigate, mobile-friendly, and loads quickly. Conduct regular usability tests to identify any issues or areas for improvement and make adjustments accordingly. So there you have it, 5 strategic SEO insights and tactical tips to help you succeed in 2024. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more valuable insights. And don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or any questions you may have. Until next time, happy optimizing!